So why should you make your bed every day? Obviously, we're on him all the time to make his bed first thing in the morning. And I don't remember where I read this, but someone very successful had said that the one thing that they do that causes their whole day to be a winning thing is they make their bed first thing in the morning. Because then you've accomplished one easy task right away as soon as you wake up. And you know what? There's a lot of truth to this. So again, going back to the fact that I know, and I've experienced this myself, that how you feel, how you think, how you behave is going to affect your entire life. And it's going to be exactly what you put out there, right? If it can start with one action first thing in the morning by making your bed and doing it right, again, because if it's worth doing, it's worth doing right. So don't just willy-nilly throw your covers over. Make your bed properly. Because then by the time that you actually go to the bathroom, right, you've already accomplished one thing. So then it makes the next thing that you need to accomplish that much easier. And I know it seems so simple and so stupid, but really, the opposite side can have a snowballing effect just as this side can. So if you start with an accomplishment, then you're going to keep accomplishing things as the day goes on. But if you start with whatever, then you're going to take that whatever approach to the rest of your day, right? And so the most successful people in the world, they start by accomplishing something first thing in the morning. You should too.